Right, so this is the that's the greenhouse there, the shed. You may have seen in my previous videos that this is where the decking was. That was made from pallets. The subframe to that had completely rotted through, so it was unsafe. So that's the pile of wood there. Sorry about the beeping, got a van reversing. So that's another view of it. Having difficulty seeing what I'm actually recording here because of the sun. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying. Right, so moving on to the black currant here. As you can see, there's some little berries there now, so they're coming along just nicely. And then here I have some turnips, not many, it's only me that eats them. And then here we have broad beans, which were sown at 2 different times, so I don't get a lot all at once. So I'll just take you over the netting, because then you won't be looking at the netting. So that's them. These are the runner beans that I put in a few days ago. They're coming along just nicely now. Got 2 different types. Can't remember what they are now. And then moving on round to the this net. Need to do something with this because it's not very secure. But in there's purple sprouting broccoli, and I think some calabrese. Let's see if I can't show you the other end as well. But at this end, oh, come on. Sorry about the camera work, guys. But then there's Durham early cabbages, which I was given by my lovely neighbour, and they're doing really, really well. And then here, iceberg lettuce, and we'll be sowing a few more of them soon. Along this row here, let's lift that off. Along here, there's a good one to show you. There's swede in there. I believe in America you call them rutabaga. And then here we have some more cabbage. They're doing okay. They came from America via Arkansas woodcutter. And then along there is peas. That's the red and white onions. These were grown from sets and they've started to go to seed. So maybe next time I will grow them from seed. Here we have some celery. Again, I'm the only one that likes it, so not much there. And then we have some beetroot. And at the back of that is garlic. And here are some mange 2 peas. And moving on. We have in here, not really showing yet, carrots, late sowing of carrots, and then moving on down again, we have the strawberry bed, the smaller one. These strawberry plants were all runners off of the next one that I'm going to show you. But what I've planted in with them now, if you look about there, those are dwarf beans. They put nitrogen into the soil, which is beneficial to the strawberries. So this is the strawberry bed that I took the runners off of and planted over there. Again, I've put dwarf beans in with them. And there, let's put the nitrogen in. They do need weeding, but here we have some Meteor Peas. They're a small variety. And then some more onions there, and a few shallots there. Just hop over that. And here is sweet corn interplanted with potatoes. Everything's doing all right there. It went along nicely. and some more iceberg lettuce there, and Lola Rossa red lettuce. Pick and come again. And give you a shot of the front of it. That's the tulips are now gone, so it shouldn't be too long before the roses start to come out, hopefully. So my next plan of attack is if I just crouch down like this. Now you may notice that the level of the path is lower than the level of the soil, considerably so. So if I hoe here, the soil just goes onto the path. So that's extra work for me. So what I will be doing, I'll show you here because it's a bit, is out of the wood from the decking, I'll be putting a low fence along the higher parts, maybe all the way down, because it does it even washes down if there's heavy rain. So yeah, that's the state of play at the moment. If anybody's got any questions, comments, constructive criticism, and I was made aware that I don't speak loud enough in the videos, so I've tried my hardest on that one. If it's still not loud enough, let me know. So on that note, it's now time for the typical British cup of tea. I'll catch you later, guys.